welcome back, guys. So as you can see, there's like those yellow line around the toilet bowl, and I'm gonna use the same method that I used lime away that I got from 99-cent store, the thick gel kind. But unfortunately, the water is still there, and then I tried to flush it, but it doesn't. That's all. It's not gonna flush anymore, and I don't want to get my hand dirty to put the towel over there and then drain it out. Alright guys, so we're gonna use a plunger to push the water out more. Instead of waiting a couple days or a couple weeks to let it drain, I just need to clean out the rims. So in case you have dirt on the where it flushes down there, you have to use a towel and suck out all the water and then put it into the bucket or something and get all the water out before you put this lime away that I got it from a 99-cent store. I heard somebody that you could get it from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, and we're gonna mix this with the 8 jacks, okay, around the rim, and let it sit for like I probably gonna sit it for a couple hours, and we come back. It's gonna use a brush to scrape it out. All right, and then I'm just gonna wait like until the rim it gets dried up, because you want to wait until it's dried up before you put the lime away to let it sit around the rim. I'll just use this brush and then the toilet paper to go around it real quick once. So we could get this going. Okay, now we're gonna move it up here to put the lime away. You don't want to open the sprout all the way out. Just do it like a mid. You don't want to waste too much and then just go down to the drain. Stupid light. What's wrong with you? Jeez. God. I use a brush to brush it back up toward the line. Goddamn line. Don't touch the water though. You don't want to get wet. So make sure you go around the rim. So we are back. At first, when I did the lime away, and then I try to clean it, and I'm going to show you guys the secret, okay? So I use my old toothbrush and brush, and I try to use this prying tool that I use for to repair cell phones, and I try to scrape it with this prying tool, the plastic one, because I'm afraid to use like a screwdriver or a metal hanger or anything like steel wool. It might scratch the ceramic. It might scratch the porcelain. So I don't want like a black hairline around my toilet bowl. So I almost gave up because I did the lime all away, and then at first I let it sit overnight and all this stuff, and wait a couple hours, and scrubbing and everything. The lime was still there. Then I went out there and buy this one. This is the Zip commercial acidic toilet bowl cleaner. This one is the 120 flow ounce, and then it cost me $9.99 from Home Depot. And I use it on the hot water stain or the scale or the buildups. It did not work either. And then I also use this bleach. Oh my god, don't ever use bleach. I almost got killed by breathing this fume. It's almost suffocating me. It's pretty bad for your lungs, so I'm gonna avoid from using those bleach, which is very harsh to your health. So I end up going back to lime away, and all you need to do is just use this lime away lime calcium or rust. This one is a thick gel. And then I went to grab this from my wife's Pumice bar, the stone. That's for her feet, okay? And I put the lime away, and then I just scrape it around the hot water line, just like this. And when you hear like where it's pretty sandy, you want to kind of give it a little push toward the toilet bowl, okay? So when you feel like it's smooth, and you just want to move away and jump into the next hot water line or stain. So what I did was just kind of gentle and kind of press hard sometimes. And where you feel more rough area, you want to keep your elbow grease on it, and then it eventually will come out. So I have this small cup that I dip the lime away in there. And if I need to apply again, I just go around the line only. Okay, along the line where it shows hot water, and then I go back with this Pumice stone again, and go back in there and keep on scraping it off. This is much easier work than with my my brush or my prying tools, or using your brush, toilet brush. And don't ever buy this Lysol bleach cleaner ball. This is just useless. So I'm gonna flash it and show you guys. I was thinking about using the vinegar. You could use a vinegar, and then with the baking soda and supposed to let it soak overnight or for a couple of days. So forget about that. You're not gonna wasting so much hours and day just for the vinegar to soak through it. This way I'm showing you is much easier, and it's like an instant. It's an instant. As you can see, I'm gonna flash it. Some other people they using Ajax. I tried to use the Ajax with the bleach, and it did not come out either. Okay. So just use lime away, and then the Pumice stone. That's all you need. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. There you go, guys. This is not prank or anything, and I'm not making this up either. See a little black mark right here. I can brush it away. That's caused from the stone. So because my wife was about to ask me to go out there and buy a new toilet bowl and to install it, since it has been like a 14 years old toilet bowl already. Now it looks like spanking new. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend and family on social media if they have a scale, hot water, stain, whatever build up that you have. But don't use lime away on like your faucet chrome finish or your stainless steel. Don't use it on there or your appliances. You're gonna regret, because it's your chrome or your stainless steel is gonna turn into brown or black spots. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. Happy Friday. Have a nice weekend. Peace out, guys.